What is a stress? Stress means, or simply stress, whenever you use the word simply, stress means the engineering stress. Okay, I will let you know what is a true stress or true strain as well later on. Just you need to know, whenever you use the word stress, it's mean you are talking about the engineering stress. Okay, so stress is just a sigma denoted by sigma. Okay, this Greek letter known as sigma. Sigma is force upon area. What kind of the area that you are taking in? Area is the original area. I mean, before taking the test, whatever the cross-sectional area value was, that you need to take into that consideration. That's why it is known as the engineering stress. Okay, so force upon area. Force is instant. What the kind of the force it is? It is a instantaneous force, or just a perpendicular to the specimen, as I have already made you know. What is the unit? Unit is just a Pascal. Okay, because it is known as Newton per meter square. Okay, force unit is Newton, and area has a unit of meter square. So you have a Newton per meter square, and this particular value is known as Pascal. Newton per meter square is known as Pascal. Okay, and now you can convert megapascal, millipascal, kilopascal, whatever the thing that you desire and you have been asked, that you can formulate.